Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can turn off two-factor authentication on Proton Mail. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course sign into your Proton Mail account. And now that you're here, you will just have to go to your settings, go to all settings, and then you will just have to wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will look for your security. And privacy, and now that you're here, you will just have to look for disabled 2FA or 2FA, something like that. So it should be right here, but again, it really depends on the layout of your screen. So it could be on under the account and password section. So what you will have to do to disable it is, if you have it enabled, then you will just simply toggle it off, and of course you will be prompted to enter your password uh, to fully do it. So yeah, that's basically how you can disable your two-factor authentication on Proton Mail. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.